One name. Two cities. You've probably heard of Kansas City, but did you know there are two of them? Kansas City, Missouri, and right across the river, Kansas City, Kansas. Separated by a state line, but united by a deep and dramatic history. So, how did this happen? Let's find out. Long before any settlers arrived, this land at the confluence of the Kansas and Missouri rivers was a vital hub for Native American cultures. For centuries, the Hopewell and Mississippian peoples thrived here, followed by the Kansa, Osage, and Missouri tribes, who gave the land its name and spirit. In the 1700s, French fur traders paddled these waters, setting up posts and forging early connections. By the 1830s, American settlers heading west saw the potential of this river crossing, and the seeds of a city were planted. So, why are there two? It all started on the Missouri side. The town of Kansas was incorporated in 1850, quickly becoming a booming port for steamboats and a critical stop on westward trails. Its growth was explosive. Later, across the state line in Kansas, a new community began to form, eventually incorporating as Kansas City, Kansas in 1886. They share a name, a metropolitan area, and a friendly cross-river rivalry that continues to this day. As the 20th century dawned, Kansas City became a cultural powerhouse. The railroads brought people and prosperity, and with them came a new sound. Jazz music found a home here, flourishing in the clubs of the 18th and Vine District. Legends like Charlie Parker and Count Basie defined an era with their improvisational genius. And you can't talk about KC without talking about barbecue slow smoke to perfection. This city also nurtured greatness in other fields, being a formative home to visionaries like Walt Disney, President Harry Truman, and modern music icon Janelle Monáe. But every city has its shadows. During the Prohibition era of the 1920s and 30s, Kansas City was known as a wide-open town, run by the powerful Pendergast political machine, and infiltrated by organized crime. Gangsters operated with impunity. This dark chapter reached a violent climax right outside Union Station in 1933 with the Kansas City Massacre, a brutal shootout that led to the deaths of 4 law enforcement officers. The event was so shocking it spurred Congress to give the FBI more power, forever changing the course of federal law enforcement. Yet, rising just above Union Station is a symbol of profound honor and remembrance: the National World War I Museum and Memorial. It's the only museum of its kind in the United States, a stunning tribute to the generation that fought in the Great War. Atop its iconic Liberty Memorial Tower, an eternal flame burns, a solemn beacon honoring the courage and sacrifice of those who served. It's a place of reflection and a testament to the city's enduring spirit of patriotism and pride. Today, Kansas City's history is alive in its diverse neighborhoods. Westport, once a rugged frontier outpost supplying pioneers on the Santa Fe Trail, is now a vibrant hub of restaurants and nightlife. The country club Plaza, America's first suburban shopping district, was inspired by the architecture of Seville, Spain, and its beautiful fountains and sculptures have earned KC the nickname, the City of Fountains. And then there's Crown Center, a visionary mixed-use development that revitalized the area around the city's historic core. The bridges that span the Missouri River aren't just concrete and steel. They are connectors linking 2 states, 2 cities, and millions of stories. They stitch together a single metropolitan soul. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow on the skyline, you see a story of resilience, of reinvention, and of a deep, unshakable Midwestern pride. From ancient tribal lands to swinging jazz halls, from mob-run streets to towering memorials, Kansas City is so much more than just a name on a map. It's a legacy built by the river and raised by rhythm. It's a truly American story, written in 2 states but with one heart. Thanks for joining this journey through Kansas City's history. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.